Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Most important software for mechanical engineers. MathCAD. MathCAD is possibly the one piece of software that is useful to every mechanical engineer, regardless of job function. Computer-aided design, CAD, software. Finite element analysis, FE, software. Microsoft Excel, Visual Basic for applications, VBA, MATLAB. Python.
Let's help you make your mark.
Design programs like AutoCAD help mechanical engineers do their jobs by helping them create preliminary designs and spot flaws before production, saving time and resources. It's not necessary, but it's very useful for mechanical engineering for understanding the mechanical designs.
Let's help you make your mark.
Python has a huge library and a simple syntax which can help you solve complex problems easily. CFD. Python is also used in other areas of mechanical engineering like vibrations and dynamic motion, simulation and modeling engineering, etc. Mechanical and automobile industries use Python to automate tasks.
Take our lead.
AutoCAD Mechanical Autodesk produces the classics of 3D modeling, and AutoCAD is certainly one of them. As mechanical engineering 3D software evolves, so did this program. Autodesk produced a version that combines the reliable tools and functionality of AutoCAD with customized mechanical tools. AutoCAD Mechanical.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.